Hello, Walgreens crew. It is Kimono, and this is a second video. But if some of you are coming home from work, or if you're going out to Walgreens first thing on Saturday morning, or you're just driving by the store on your way home from dinner or church or whatever, stop in. And I know a lot of us have always been looking at these 4 packs. It is a 4 mega pack, the ultra soft or the ultra strong. They're typically $3.99. They are 90% off in certain markets, making a 4 pack of toilet paper 40 cents. Just to give you the visuals, like what does it look like? This is it. You're either going to find them in the regular toilet paper aisle, or possibly you will find them on an end cap. 40 cents is a crazy price point. If it's not tagged at your store, grab an ultra soft and an ultra strong and ask for a price check. I believe Walgreens is phasing this out of their line, so that's probably why it's on clearance, because this is unheard of. So if you could try and get out Friday, and make this happen. Typically with clearance schedules, they either do it on Saturdays or Tuesdays when they start putting it in their system, whatever is left. And typically with that, a couple stores in Michigan have already started this evening. So that's how one of you guys downstate sent me a message saying, hey, this is 40 cents. You might want to get out to your store. So you can't do this as a curbside pickup. You have to go in store. So that's why at the beginning of the video, I'm like, hey, if you're driving by a Walgreens, stop in, because 40 cents is a crazy, it's like 10 cents a roll. So we're always making videos about toilet paper every Tuesday on this channel for like this toilet paper, that toilet paper. I would absolutely go and look for this, ask for a price check. And sometimes with clearance, it is kind of a your mileage may vary. So what's happening here in Michigan might be completely different of what's happening in New England or Northern California, or it might be the same, or typically Texas and Michigan are always the same. But this might be one of these where the manager has to actually put it in their system so it rings up 40 cents. So that's why Tuesdays or Saturday, and we're really close to Saturday, is when you're going to start seeing it stickered. But once it's stickered, I mean, possibly the employees might buy every last one, and who wouldn't for 40 cents, because it's a crazy price point. So guys, and if you see it get restocked, because you know there's truck day as well, ask for a price check. Be really nice and ask for a price check. And I noticed and on the website, and just started looking at, well, does this store have it in stock? Does that store have it in stock? Every store says right now that it's no longer sold. And I think the last time I bought this was a while ago. It makes a really good filler whenever it's on sale for $1.99, although it hasn't been on sale for $1.99 for a while. But I think I put it in a toilet paper deal less than a month ago. So it is in many stores. You might just have to root around and look around. So if you're out and about this evening, which is Friday the 21st, or first thing tomorrow, go, because typically couponers will fill up like a couple carts and buy all of it. I haven't yet to go to the store this evening because it's really dark and I don't really drive well at night, so it's going to be one of those Saturday morning sort of searches. But I wish you guys good luck, and there might only be a couple left, but look in the toilet paper aisle, and sometimes near the dog food they have like a center cap where they just pile up more toilet paper and other odds and ends. Or if your store shows that there's a whole bunch, maybe ask the employees if there might be some in the back, and ask for a price check. And if it's ringing up 40 cents, I would get a bunch. Good luck, guys.